Our program starts this evening by honoring this year's award recipients. Every year, our members show their dedication and support by serving on committees and participating in events and activities. And tonight, we honor those by recognizing them, those that have gone above and beyond, not only with their support of the association, but the accomplishments that they've made in the real estate industry and in our community. And tonight's installing officer, Mike McGraw.
I'd like to call the 2024 directors to please come forward. If so, please answer, I will. I will. We welcome your leadership during this historic Centennial year ahead. This time, I'd like to invite Jim Lowe to the stage. Please answer by saying, I do.
I do.
Please help me congratulate your 2024 president, Jim Lowe.